Hi guys, so today we're going to be taking a close look at the Brother HL-L5210DW printer. Brand new out of the box. We're very excited to take a look at it, see what kind of quality we're looking at. We're going to take it out of the packaging and take a look at the quality, the build of it, what kind of feel we're getting for the product. It has fabulous reviews, so I'm very hopeful. But let's just take a look and see what we think of it and get this out of the packaging. So out of the box, this is what it looks like. It was in a bag and there is a minimal amount of polystyrene, which I'm very grateful for. I hate the polystyrene. There is a plethora of documents, absolutely oodles of documents here. But there is also a quick setup guide to get you going as well. We've also got here our power cable and looks like another cable, and this is what the front of the unit comes out like. We've got this nice, that is actually really good because my old printer wasn't very deep and it would start falling on the floor, so that's nice. We got instruction there regarding pressing this. Okay, noted. There is that inside, a silicone pack, and I'm going to have to do something with this. Pull out the drum. Now my previous printer was a Brother, so it's just asking me to pull this out, which I have done. Very good. I'll get to that part in a moment. We're just looking at the build for now. Got some support information. That looks nice. Got your paper door. Let's look at the capacity of that. I wouldn't say that's a full ream, but that's probably pretty 3/4 of a ream of paper. So you can adjust there for your different paper sizes. Very good. I'm an A4 girly myself. And then we've got your buttons on top. Nice. All secure. That's very interesting. And yeah, let's look at the reverse. We've got your air vent there. And the reverse of the paper tray. Nice. And that for the inevitable. And there you go. You've got your cable ins there. And interestingly, little lock, which I'm sure I read all about. And then your cable. So it looks like a really solid little unit. So yeah, overall, my first impressions are very positive. It looks very smart. It's a good size. It's got a good capacity by the looks of things. And Brother's a very reliable printer. But yeah, let's get it all plugged in. See if we can get a little test going and see what it looks like. There's plenty of settings here to scroll through and enjoy. I'm just going to set it up and I'll do a nice little print test. So I just followed the wizard to get it set up on my laptop. I had no issues with drivers or software. You can also get extra free software from Brother as well to make stuff if you're a crafting person. I think this is really great for a home office, an actual office, students. If you are into crafting, anything like that really, I think it's going to be a really good little printer. It was in sleep mode, but let's just press the button. You can have it on Wi-Fi or wired. I went for wired. I'm old school like that. But let's press the button and get this printing just so you can have a look at the test of the printing speed so you can see what it's like. Let me just print that and see how long it takes. Woo, that spat out real quick. It's much quicker than my previous one, which was about 5 years old, so that is really awesome. And the quality, there we go, that's just from Word, because again I'm old school. But yeah, that has been a really good little investment. Very nice printer. You know, I've got my paper in my drawer, no issues with build quality, everything looks absolutely cracking. There we go, it's resetting the toner. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that's been really helpful.